The 2018 autograph football. Appreciate everyone getting it. First thing, as always, refresh the date and time according to eBay. It's a live break. It's currently Monday, April 16, 2018. It's 11:32 p.m. Eastern Time and 8:32 p.m. Pacific Time. Alright, next thing we're going to do is read off the eBay usernames and how many spots each one you guys have. So, move this over here. So, Yankee, you have 6 spots. Manish, you have 2. LSCHS with 2. Sean with 1. Plan for Outer Space 1. Manus 2. Jose Parker 2. Wheels with 5. K-Town 3. Ranger 1 with 5. Britt Mile 2. And Kret with 1. Alright guys, I'm going to take this list. We're going to paste around.org 5 times. That'll determine our break order. Good luck to you. Once. Twice. 3 times. 4 times. Alright, Wheels, you're on top, and K-Town on the bottom 5 times. Put that here in column B. Alright, Wheels, you have the Cardinals, Britt Falcons, Renzo Ravens, K-Town Bills, Manus Panthers, Kret Bears, Manus Bengals, Wheels Browns, Jose Cowboys, K-Town Broncos, Manus Lions, Jose Packers, Renzo Texans, Manus Colts, Yankees Jags Chiefs, LSCH Rams, Wheels Dolphins Vikings, Yankee Patriots, Brett Saints, Renzo Giants, Yankee Jets Raiders, Renzo Eagles, Sean Steelers, Wheels Chargers, Yankees Niners, LSCH Seahawks, Outer Space Bucks, Renzo Titans, and K-Town with the Redskins. Alright, let's go through this again. Alright. Alright, I think we're good to go. Let's watch it be a Drew Brees. It'll be a Alvin Kamara. Alright, let me find my knife here. Alright. Good luck, guys. Let's see what we got today. Let me turn on the volume. I won't forget like last time. It's really loud when it Alright, there we go. Cuts like butter. Oh man, every time. The strings get caught on the back of these boxes and they won't open. Let's see what I can do here. Alright, we got that one. There we go. Alright. Didn't do it that time. Empty box. I love the 2 pieces of paper just like laid on top of it, like this is gonna do anything. Like A for effort. Alright guys, the hit of the case was the Tom Brady football, so it's been sitting here for a hot minute, so we'll see who it is. Hey, that's pretty cool. Really got a Seahawks logo on there. That's pretty neat. It's gonna be of Golden Tate. Golden Tate there. The Seahawks. Golden Tate. Wait, doesn't Golden Tate have the Lions? For the Seahawks, Golden Tate autographed football. I believe Golden Tate plays for the Lions, but since there's a Seahawks logo on the ball itself, we always base it off the logo, so this will go to the Seahawks. So let's see who has the Seahawks. That's going to be an interesting team this year. The Seahawks. Alright. So let's see who has all the Seahawks. Seattle Seahawks. It's going to go to LSCHS, man. Congrats. You snagged yourself the Golden Tate autograph football. Yeah, I got to give that to the Seahawks with the logo on it. It's just like the hockey photos or anything else, the jerseys, the mini helmets. It doesn't matter what team they're on. If there's a logo, it's got to go to the logo. Alright, so just to keep it even across the board. Alright, let's give us away a spot in the bonus break. Good luck, guys. 5 times. Once. Twice. 3 times. 4 times. Last time. Alright, John. Snag yourself a spot 5 times into the bonus break. Nice hit, man. We pulled that nice Troy Aikman out of here. Troy Aikman, I think we pulled Stephon Diggs, maybe? I really can't remember. But I don't know if they're even making these anymore, or if it was just a one and done deal. Alright guys, appreciate everyone getting in. If I saw some new names, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the little bell, it's like in this region, right next to the subscribe button. Click on that to get notified when we go live. If you're interested, the link is in the description for the eBay page as well as the social media and whatnot. And I think that's it, guys. Appreciate all of you getting in. Hope to see you guys in future breaks. See ya.